For decades, access to Oswego Lake has been a privilege reserved for an exclusive group of people, but that's no longer the case. This week, a judge ruled everyone has the right to use it. Catherine Cook has the update.
As the sun set over Oswego Lake Wednesday, it felt like the dawning of a new day for Todd Prager.
I feel really good. Our legal team feels really good.
This week, a Clackamas County judge issued a ruling on a long-standing court battle over Oswego Lake. It ordered the city to immediately stop enforcing an ordinance that barred public access to the lake through Millennium Plaza Park. For Prager,
I didn't think it would take this long.
And another resident, it's a major milestone. They sued the city for public lake access back in 2012.
It just didn't seem really right to me, so I looked into it and discovered that actually we do have the right to access these waterways, so just kind of snowballed from there.
The case went all the way to the Oregon Supreme Court before it was kicked back down to the county. The Lake Oswego Corporation, a consortium of lakeside property owners that manages the lake, joined the case on the city side.
It's pretty disappointing that city government that's supposed to represent the entire city would be so kind of tied with a smaller group of people that have these special interests.
Under the judgment, the city has 30 days to remove signs like this one from Millennium Plaza, restricting access to Oswego Lake. They have 120 days to remove these boulders and metal reeds that physically restrict access. In a statement to KGW, the Lake Oswego Corporation objected to the order, noting they, along with the city, are considering an appeal. They said in part, the result is an oversimplified judgment that purports to allow public access to the lake from Millennium Plaza Park only, but does not give the city adequate time or direction to create safe and compliant access. They also said the order creates a serious risk of future litigation on lake access issues that should have been resolved by this case. Under the ruling, the city can keep the ordinance in place for 2 other downtown parks. Jeff Harris has easement rights to Oswego Lake and read the ruling.
It's a little mixed because I understand where they're coming from.
He said he and others with lake access pay quite a bit for the privilege and that the fees help maintain the lake. He's not sure if or how the ruling would change that, but his biggest concern is safety.
Well, my hope is that there would be some kind of education for people that want to use the lake, so that we're all on the same page. I've seen behavior out here that is not safe. There are a lot of rules that we have to obey on the lake to keep everybody safe.
Prager says he'll certainly obey the rules this weekend when he hits the lake.
It's supposed to be a nice day, almost 60 degrees and sunny, so that's the plan.
In Lake Oswego, Catherine Cook, KGW News.